That's not a Krabby.
All right, guys, let's go catch some crab. So you only need one thing. Really two things. You got fat fingers like your Bobby Garlands and forceps.
Oh, that's not a Krabby. Oh my goodness.
This is why we downsize, guys. Look at that.
Okay, so given that TikTok is on the way, you guys head over to Instagram and follow me at Chef Official so you can see if you can catch our personal best. One of my videos.
I'm prophetic, they only talk about it, how I get it.